Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at one of the most common questions I've been getting lately. How do I export my photos and videos out of Immich? And how do I back them up? A while back I made a couple of videos on Immich, and things have changed a lot since then. The old export button is gone, the menu moved around, and the workflow is a little different now. So in this video, I'll walk you through all the export options that actually exist in Immich version 2.3.1, which is the version that I'm using now. And I'll show you exactly how to get the data out safely. Let's get started. First off, what's changed? Immich used to have a big export button under the library tab. In the newer versions, including 2.3.1, that button no longer exists. Instead, exporting is now done through the download options inside of Photos and Albums, or by copying the files directly from your server storage. So let's break down each one. Here we are in Immich on my demo server. Let me show you the download option from this interface. The first method is probably the easiest and works right inside of your browser. In Immich 2.3.1, you can export using the download menu. Here's how. To export a single photo or video, you open up the photo. In the top right, you'll see a series of 3 dots. You click onto those dots, drop down, and select download. And it downloads it right to your machine. Pretty quick and easy. But what if you want more than one photo at a time? It's the same basic process. You find the photos that you'd like. In the top left corner, you'll find a little check mark on each one that you want. Select those. Once you have everything selected that you'd like, once again, in the top right, you click on the 3 dots, drop down, and select download. And if you look at the file name here, you'll notice that it's compressed the file and made it into a zip, which is kind of nice, kind of helps save some space. While both of these options are great, it can be a little tedious going through and selecting every single photo you'd want. Now let's say you want to export an entire album. Let me show you how to do that. We'll go over to our albums on the left-hand side. We'll open it up. We'll find one here that we'd like. Let's say the Celebrity Faces here. Once again, hover over it, find the 3 dots, drop down, and select download. Once again, it compresses the files and downloads it right to your machine. Pretty quick and easy. So I've shown you how to download one file, a selection of files you'd like, or an entire album. What if you want to download everything and you want to get everything out of Immich? Let me show you how to do that. We'll go back to our photos over on the left. We'll find any image we want. We'll click on the little check mark in the top left corner of it. And then up in the top right, you'll have a series of icons up here. The second one over, this square here, if you hover over it, it says select all. You select that, and it'll go through and select every single image that is in Immich. Say that fast a couple times. Give it a second or two just to make sure everything is selected. If you look in the top left here, it'll show you the count of how many images are selected. Now you can go back over to the top right. Once again, the 3 dots up there, drop down, and hit download. It's going to compress it up and transfer everything over to your machine. This works great for small or medium collections, but if your library is huge, your browser may time out. So let's move on to another method that I recommend for full backups. Method 2 exports files directly from Unraid. Since most of you watching run Immich on Unraid, this method might be the quickest. Immich stores your uploaded media right on your server. So you can export simply by copying the folder where Immich keeps your files. If you followed along in my Immich setup video, I had placed them in my data share under the media folder and then photo. So the location in this case would be /mnt/user/data/media/photo/upload. If we go back to the server here, I'll show you that location real quick. Let me find data, media, and then photo. This is where Immich places everything. Inside of this upload folder here is where your actual photos will be. If you had placed yours in a different location, then obviously yours are going to be in whatever location you had originally set up. But they'll be inside of a folder called upload. So to back it up, you can simply just copy that folder to a different drive or another storage location. If you're using Windows, you could just copy and paste from your desktop. You could use SyncThing or just select that location with your favorite backup software, like Duplicity. And I've done videos on both SyncThing and Duplicity, and I'll leave links to those down in the description. If you're on Windows, real quick way of doing it is just browse to that location, go to your data folder, media, photo, find your upload folder, right click on it, copy it, paste it to wherever you'd like, and you've copied everything out of Immich. Going this route gives you all your original media, plus any sidecar files, XML files in this case, which is the metadata, and it does it without any compression, like zip files. The only downside is that the albums won't be preserved. This is just the raw media. But for a quick export or backup, it's perfect. Now I'm going to share with you one little bonus tip on how to export via shared album links. You can create a shared link to an album, open the link, and use the download option from there. It's not the official export tool, but it does work. And sometimes it actually bypasses the browser's issues on larger albums. Let me show you how to do that. If you go to one of your albums, over on the left here, you'll find albums. Open it up. You'll see I've got one here called Celebrity Faces. The top right, you got the series of 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those, drop down, and you've got the share option there. Now, if you want to share it with another user, you select the user, then you'd click add. You could also just create a link down with the bottom option here and share it that way. But I'm going to use the add method. Once you've got your user selected, go ahead and hit add. Once you've got it shared, over on the left-hand side, you'll find sharing. Click onto that, and you'll see that it shows up in your shares. Find the album that you would like to share, hover over it. You'll find the series of 3 dots again. Click on those and hit download. And you'll see it compresses it up and downloads it right to your browser. And then from there, you can just save it to wherever you'd like. So if you wanted to back up everything, you could just go back to your photos, add everything into an album, and share it that way. So just to recap things here, download is the new built-in export method. Direct Unraid folder access is probably the fastest raw export method you could use. And the shared links gives you a sneaky way to export full albums. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support the channel directly, consider becoming a Patreon. Patreon members get early access to my videos, and they are ad and sponsor free. The link is in the description. Until then, check out one of these next. And I'll see you in the next one.